That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
There is a fielder at cover.
Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
That is a beautiful shot. It's a strong area.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
He drew the batsman into playing that shot and it took the edge. Smart piece of bowling.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Nudges it for a single.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Can he do it again?
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. There is a fielder at cover.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
It's nicely timed. Will only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Oh, shot, but only a single.
They're converting 1s into 2s and 2s into 3s here. That is excellent running.
They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully.
Great shot. He has dispatched that and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. And he helps himself to a 6.
The winning runs are scored and the batsmen congratulate each other.
Let's go.